So it came in and had this spark plug wire on it because it wasn't quite running right. Had the wrong spark plugs. It had the NGKs, and it calls for a Champion QL70, QL82YC. But once again, the base root of the problem was it had carburetor issues, so we rebuilt the carburetors. Clipper up.